What's up guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited to be filming a different type of thrift video for you guys this week. I actually received a thrifted mystery style bundle from a small business in Latvia called Kale shop. As you guys know, most of the pieces in my wardrobe are thrifted and secondhand, so this is totally in line with my wardrobe. And what's even better is they actually personalize each style bundle to you. So you fill out a questionnaire, you let them know what you're liking right now in terms of fashion, what you're not liking, your style inspiration, you let them know your sizing. I've been waiting to unbox this with you guys so we could see together what they picked out for me. Let's just get into it. I'll leave their Etsy and Depop on the screen and linked down below. Make sure you guys check them out. I kind of can't believe that I haven't done one of these before. I like to thrift myself usually, but this is very different for me. So everything is individually wrapped, so I'm just gonna pull out the first piece. Okay. The first, oh, there's a bunch of pieces. Okay, never mind. I thought it was only a few. First piece is this super cute baby tee, and it has this kind of like cool fish design on it. I never know how to say this, but I literally see this brand at the thrift store all the time. The shirt is like literally in perfect condition, which is amazing. The black is definitely not faded. It's like such a great color, and I love the bit of graphic design on the front. Off to a great start. I feel like you can style this with like oversized boyfriend jeans, which is literally what I wear like on the daily, and so I already know I'm gonna love that. Next one, I can already tell I love the texture of. You guys know I'm a big texture girl. Okay, it's this really cool crinkled, I think this is one of those tops where the fabric is supposed to be super like crinkled. I love the sleeves of it. It has like these really cool, almost like flower petal or leaf details. It's just like super textured, and the sleeves are long and kind of flared, and then the front also has that design, and it ties at the top, which I love. And I feel like it's one of those pieces that you can also layer, which is going to be so good. Oh my god. Okay, next piece is actually this incredible G-star mini skirt, which is so iconic. This might be my favorite piece out of the three, but I'm already obsessed with all three of them. Look at this buckle detail on the back. That is so incredible. Okay, yeah, 100% going to be wearing this. This would make an incredible outfit styled with knee-high boots. It has the G-star logo at the front there. The back is definitely what sells me though, like these pocket details and the buttons and the belt buckle. So cool. Definitely a y2k gem, which we love. Okay, so that was the first outfit, I guess. I think this is by outfit. I actually didn't know that. The next one. Okay, next item I'm already liking. You guys know I love my blazers. Again, super textured piece. It has like this incredible floral design. It's kind of like a satiny, silky texture. It has pockets at the front, which are like super small and actually kind of hidden, which I really like. Yeah, super cool piece. This one's a little bit more of a basic piece, but it has the kind of elements that I've really been liking. It has this like ruched, sort of bundled texture at the front, like if you pull the drawstrings. It has like this really great high collar. This one's a bit more of like a sporty piece, I think, which would be great layered even over a hoodie like this. I'm actually wearing my juicy hoodie right now, which I've been obsessed with. Moving on to the third package. Okay, I'm really liking that this one's a contrast to the other two. This one has a light colored set, it looks like. That is an adorable like hook and eye kind of fastened button-up shirt, and it has these really cool floral embroidered details. This is like a really great neutral piece that already brings out some color, and I feel like you can totally accessorize with that. Kind of like a chartreuse and orange and bronze. So I already have a bronze purse, which I think would be great with this. I would totally style this with either like orange shoes or purses in those colors, and I feel like it would totally like tie this in together. Or I have green sunglasses that are like Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses that I thrifted, and I feel like that would really pull out a bit of this green color. Ooh, okay, I'm actually very happy that these are pants because, again, I don't have many light colored pants. Wide leg, which is obviously what I'm going for. They have a pocket on the side. They're these like super long pants in a very similar color to that top. I think these pants with any of the black tops would be such a good look. Like this pair of pants with the black baby tee. Obviously they gave me the blazer. I can put that on for more of a fall outfit, and that's stunning. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to wear them low rise. I'll see how they fit, but yeah, I think these are gonna be so good in my wardrobe. We are getting to the last package here. This one's the heaviest, so I'm very excited to see what that's about. Okay. What did I literally say about an orange bag for that outfit? I don't know if that was intentional or not, potentially. What a cool bag. I don't own anything like this. This one is like cargo material, nylon, which I do love, and it's a lot more sporty, and the color. Look at this buckle detail on the front. So many pockets going on here, which is so iconic. And it's a shoulder bag, which is obviously my favorite thing. It also comes with a longer strap though, which I think is actually really great considering this bag's pretty chunky. I think that'll make it very versatile. Like I would definitely wear it at this length as well. It's not like too long. All of my purses are more like leather and kind of fancy purses, and this one could definitely be such a great colored everyday bag. I'm so excited about this bag. All right guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm so grateful for all of these pieces, so thank you so much to Magic Kale. I really wasn't expecting to receive this many pieces, and they just like captured my style super well. So thank you guys so much. Super grateful. Don't forget to check them out, everyone. I thought this was super fun. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with more thrifting and styling content very soon.